Hello everybody, welcome back to beautiful sunny, blindingly sunny C&S Corvettes in sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle. We're gonna do a little shop walk around today. Start over here in the corner with one of our new arrivals. This is a 1999 Corvette convertible, automatic. Bought this from one of our former customers. Just hit 100,000 miles. But it's got a front engine kit all done. It's got brand new AC compressor, ready to go, no excuses. You can be driving this car tomorrow for $14,500. If you want a really nice, great starter Corvette that needs really nothing, and interior's nice, paint's nice, this is a great car for you. So reach out to us if that's something you're interested in. This is a 2008 convertible that came in because this gentleman had the Morimoto taillights installed that he put in himself, and it was having trouble that the brake lights worked on the left rear tail light, but the tail light didn't light up. Come to find out that one of his plugs was bad. Actually put a good used rear lighting harness in this car, solved his problem. He's ready to go home. Nothing too crazy about this car, but this is a good way to illustrate if you want to know how to identify a Z51 2005 through 2009, easiest way externally is to look at the brake rotors. From the factory, the Z51 package had cross-drilled brake rotors just like this. So that is always a good indicator if in fact it is a Z51 equipped car. Now, they were only cross-drilled, so you have to be careful because people could have always changed the rotors to cross-drilled on a non-Z51 car, but if they look just like this, it's a Z51 car. So a little bit of knowledge for you. Now this is a car we just bought recently. This is a 2009 Z06 track car. It has all kinds of cool race-specific speech features on it, but there's so much good track stuff on this. If you look at the giant Willwood brakes on the front, has very, very expensive, very professional carbon fiber front splitter, vented hood, does have the gull wing or the swan neck spoiler on the back, although it's not on the car right now. This is going to be something we're going to play with. I don't know quite what we're going to do with it just yet, but we're kind of up in the air about whether we're going to make this a track car for the shop or if we're just going to sell it as it is. We'll see, but super cool car. Thing is a badass. This is a 2019 Corvette Coupe. This came in for a leaking evaporator core in the dash. So AC evaporator core was leaking refrigerant out in the middle of the dash. I will tell you, we've been deep inside cars before, many, many times. I don't know if we've been this deep. And that is with the air box you see in the center there. That's got the new heater core and the new evaporator core in it. Right now, we've got the system charged, and what we're doing is making sure we don't have any leaks before we start reassembling the dash. But I have never had so many parts out of a car. Come look at this. All of this stuff had to come out to be able to access the parts we needed to get to. And man, it has been a long week of work to get this far and this done. I'm confident that it's going to work just fine, but yeah, this was a big job, and this is not something the hobbyist would ever want to attempt. Believe me, this is not a hobbyist job. We also have this beautiful blue 98 Coupe that came in. Owner really, really loves this car, and you can tell it's been well maintained. He brought it in for the front engine kit, which is the balancer and the tensioners and all that stuff. Also determined he had a pretty severe oil leak in his oil pan gasket, and since the engine cradle is already out, that's the time to do a oil pan gasket change. So we're changing that out as well. Really just the paint on this car has been so well preserved, and I really dig the C7 ZR1 style wheels on it. I like that. I think this car looks really good. It pops. Yeah, one of my favorite cars we've had in here in the last couple of weeks. And this C5 belongs to one of our favorite customers out of Sebring, Florida. Husband and wife, sweet people. They really love their car. It was in here for a torque tube rebuild and a whole bunch of other maintenance stuff because they want to take some trips with the car. Super nice folks. They live about a quarter mile, half a mile from the Sebring racetrack, which is awesome. And we're very happy to have this car here. We love seeing it, and it has been it's been a joy to work on. It's just been well maintained, it's been well loved, and you don't have to do a whole bunch of extra stuff usually on a car that's been really loved. So take a look at this car. It's Millennium Yellow, and just, you know, it's not a special edition or anything, but you could tell just by looking at it that it's really been loved on. So that's basically it for our little shop walk around on this Friday. I just wanted to give you guys something to enjoy as you begin your weekend. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. We have a whole bunch more content coming out next week. Look forward to seeing you there.